Okay everyone, in today's video I am going to be showing you my new microphone that I'm going to try to use, and I'm going to do an audio test between this one and the plugged-in wired lav mic that I have currently in my helmet. I've got a purple Panda and I just have it tucked into the cheek pad. I don't know if you can see that, but it's in there. And anyway, I am looking to use this new microphone. I was attracted to this new microphone to use with the GoPro. This is a DJI product that's used with is Bluetooth, so you can use it with your GoPro. And I've already connected it to my GoPro. I've already verified that it works. I'll show you how to do that, but it's really super easy. And what I want to do is get rid of that that wire on my helmet, because when I use a GoPro and I have a plugged-in wire, it's kind of a pain. It flops around. It doesn't look great. I mean, I could tuck it in. I could tuck all that wire in, but you know, I'm just too lazy to do that, basically. Bottom line is, I don't have to use the media mod on my GoPro if I have a Bluetooth connected microphone. And the media mod isn't bad, but every time you change your battery, you have to take the camera off the mount. And that's what, you know, when you're out riding, you know, you have to stop, and it takes a few minutes to change all that. But anyway, the problem that I'm trying to solve right now is with this microphone. This is a little charging dock that it came with, and it's highly magnetic, so you know, it just flips right in, and then you can put a USB-C there. But the problem that I'm having with this little microphone so far, and the problem that I'm trying to solve, is where to put it. And it's just a little bit too thick to put in the cheek pad, and so I am going to show you, if it works, I'm going to show you the solution that I dreamed up last night sitting around while I was watching TV thinking about this, and I came up with a solution that I think is going to work. So I'm headed down to Home Depot to get some supplies, and if it does work, I think it'll be brilliant, and I may have a new microphone set up, and you can draw off of this video, hopefully. And if you want to use one of these microphones, you can set it up too, because I think it's going to be super easy. So anyway, I will show you how to do that here in this video. All right, I'm back from Home Depot. Let's see what I got. Some rubber gasket material and the famous 3M or Scotch mount double-sided tape. You can see up in this front part, I think most helmets are probably this way, there's this plastic piece where is in front of your mouth. A little isopropyl rubbing alcohol. And then I'm going to make a little pocket for the microphone. And just put it in here. And I'm doing that so that when I put the microphone in here, the microphone won't stick to the tape. So I just stuck it in there, and I turned the microphone upside down, and it should hold it there in front of my mouth. That's the idea. Fits nice right there. Yeah. That's like the most room in your helmet is right in front of your mouth. So let's go do a sound check. What do you think? Okay. Quick little tip for storing your 3M tape. Ziploc bags work great. Stuff's expensive. It's like 25 bucks for a roll. Snap the little dead cat on here too, just to give it a little bit of a chance. All right, here we are. We are wireless with a DJI mini mic. Just gonna do a little audio, just a little short little ride, get some audio here and compare it, see what it sounds like when put up next to a wired lav mic, Purple Panda lav mic. All right, here we are, same day, same wind, similar speed. The visor's up right now, and so I'm just trying to get some audio here. Just going to talk a little bit about nothing because that's what I'm good at. And now I'm just going to close the visor and I'm going to see what this does. I can feel a little bit of a tickle with the dead cat on my chin, but other than that, this thing, I can't even tell it's in there. So the mount seems to be pretty good. I like it. But we'll see with the audio. The audio is going to be like what's going to determine its fate, whether it's going to be a go or a no-go. So this is a little audio test with my plugged-in mic. You can see the wind is blowing, just cruising down the road about 50 miles an hour. Helmet shield down. And this is a DJI, the new mini mic that has Bluetooth, and you can connect that Bluetooth right up to your GoPro. And if this audio sounds good and this video makes it to YouTube, then I'll show you how to connect that up and pair it with your camera. It's like so easy. I didn't read the instructions or anything. Just so easy. All right. Get some revs there. See if you can hear the engine. So what's my final thoughts on this little experiment here that I'm doing today? Is this worth it? So I can get rid of that. I don't know. You can hear on the audio, it looked like, it sounded pretty good, honestly. And a little more wind noise with the mini mic, but I honestly think that's because of the mounting here. And I think I might be able to modify that and get it tucked into the cheek pad a little bit more and eliminate that, because you can see my other mic is it's way, I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, I think this has promise, and I think it's gonna be my new mic setup. I'm just gonna play around with the mounting inside the helmet and see if I can get that mic a little bit farther out of the wind than it is right now. But that microphone had good audio quality from what I could tell, and so I think we've got a winner here. I like it. All right, till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.